In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual integral. It is going to be a basic U-substitution integral, which would typically be found in a Calc 1 class. So you've got this integral of cosine x over sine x raised to the 5th power. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick something for our u. So we're going to let u equal the sine of x. We're going to take the derivative of both sides, so we'll have a du is equal to a cosine x dx. Alright, going ahead and solving all the way down for that dx, we'll divide both sides of the equation by cosine x. So we'll have du over cosine x is equal to dx. Alright, at that point then I'll come back up and I'll start doing some substitutions here. I'll still have my cosine x on top. I will substitute sine, u in for the sine, so I'll have a u to the 5th power on the bottom. I'm going to substitute for my dx, the du over cosine x. What that's going to allow us to do is cross out those cosine x. Okay, so that will leave us with the integral of 1 over u to the 5th du. We're now all in terms of u, so we can manipulate this with our laws of exponents, move that up. So we'll have the integral of u to the negative 5 du. So it is now to the place where we can integrate this. We'll add 1 to that exponent, so u to the negative 4, and in front we'll have the negative 1/4. We have integrated, so we can go ahead and put that plus c on there. Okay, probably need to take this u to the negative 4 and bring it down to the bottom just to kind of clean this up a little bit. So a negative 1 on top and a 4 u to a positive 4 plus c. The last step would then be putting that sine x back in. So we'll have a negative 1 over 4 sine of x to the 4th power there plus c. So basically a straightforward u substitution. Typically would be found in that Calc 1 class for that beginning calc student. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.